Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter integrals. Uh, so any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comment section. We shall obviously clarify them in the subsequent videos. And in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comment section. So that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here in this question, it is told to find the integral of from 0 to pi by 2 cos x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. That is equal to how much? So cos x sin x, okay, so if you take 1 plus sin x, okay, okay, sin x, if you take it as t, then cos x dx, that will be equal to dt. And sin x is going from 0 to pi by 2, so t will go from sin 0 means 0 to sin pi by 2, which is 1. So this I can write integral 0 to 1 t dt by 1 plus t. So here we can write this is integral 0 to 1, so it will be 1 plus t minus 1 into dt divided by 1 plus t. So this we can write integral 0 to 1 dt minus integral dt by 1 plus t from 0 to 1. So this will be t, which will go from 0 to 1, minus this is log 1 plus t, log mod 1 plus t, which will also go from 0 to 1. So this will be 1 minus 0, which is 1, minus this is log 2 minus log 1, which is 0. So it is 1 minus log 2. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral 2 to 8 5 power 10 minus x by 5 power root x plus 5 power 10 root over 10 minus x dx. So here we can write this as integral 2 to 8 5 power root over 10 minus 10 minus x by 5 power root over 10 minus x plus 5 power root over 10 minus x dx. Since why? Since we know that integral a to b f of x dx, that can be also written as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. So therefore this will be 5 power root x integral 2 to 8. This I can call it as integral I. So this is 5 power root x divided by 5 power root x plus 5 power root 10 minus x dx. So therefore this is also I, this is also I. So if we add them, then we will get 2i. So 2i will be integral 2 to 8 and 5 power root x plus 5 power root over 10 minus x divided by same thing 5 power root x plus 5 power root over 10 minus x dx. So this will cancel out, this will be 1. So this is integral 2 to 8 dx. So this is nothing but 8 minus 2, which is 6. So 2i is 6, it means I will be equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral root over cosec x minus sin x dx. So this we can write it as integral, this is cosec x. So this is root over 1 by sin x minus sin x dx. So this can be written as integral root over, if you take LCM, this will be 1 minus root over 1 minus sin square x by sin x dx. So this will be root over 1 minus sin square x is cos x. So integral cos x dx divided by root over sin x. So if we take sin x as t, then cos x dx will be equal to dt. Integral dt by root t. So this will be integral t power minus half dt. So this will be t power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So this will be 2 root over t plus c. So this is 2, t is sin x, so 2 root sin x plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Then we have to find the integral 0 to pi x tan x dx divided by sec x into cosec x. So this will be equal to integral 0 to pi x sin x by cos x. So sin x into sec x I can write. Sin x into sec x dx divided by sec x by I can write sin x. So this will be equal to sec x will cancel out. This will be 0 to pi x sin square x dx. So then we can also write this as integral 0 to pi pi minus x into sine pi minus x is sin x only. So this is sin square x dx. Since why? Since we know f of integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is nothing but I can write 0 to pi into sin square x dx minus integral 0 to pi x sin square x dx. So if you take this as I, this will be also I. So therefore 2I, I can write this is 0 to pi sin square x dx. So this I can write pi 0 to pi. This is sin square x, I can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sorry, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. One minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Therefore, I can be written as pi by 2 integral 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this can be written as 4. 1 minus cos 2x dx. So this will be pi by 4 integral dx from 0 to pi minus pi by 4 integral cos 2x dx from 0 to pi. So this will be pi by 4 into pi minus 0 minus pi by 4 into cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Pi square by 4. So this will be pi square by 4. Cos 2 pi and cos 0 is same, so they will cancel out. So I is nothing but I is coming pi square by 4. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral of root over 5 minus 2x plus x square dx. So we know that integral square root of a square minus x square dx, that is nothing but x by 2 into root over x a square minus x square plus a square by 2 to log mod x plus square root of a square minus x square plus c. One second, just. Okay. So then here you can see that this integral we have to find. So now this can be written as integral square root of 5 minus of and write this as x square minus 2x plus 1 x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 dx. Okay, so this will be integral square root of x minus 1 whole square plus 2 square dx. So a square plus x square also will be like this. Same, only here plus will come. Okay. So this will be, so here x should be replaced with x minus 1. So this will be x minus 1 by 2 square root of this, which is 5 minus 2x plus x square. Then plus a square by 2, a square is 4 by 2, that is 2 log mod x minus 1 plus square root of 5 minus 2x plus x square plus c. So it means that option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral of dx by 1 plus 3 sine square x plus 8 cos square x. So this can be written as integral dx by 1 plus 3 into I can write sine square x plus cos square x plus I can write 5 cos square x. So this is equal to 1. So this is 4. So integral dx by 5 cos square x plus 4. So this is so now we know that d by dx of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. And here cos square x we can write it as so here So here actually we have to solve it like this. We can divide the numerator and the denominator by cos square x. I can divide numerator and the denominator by cos square x. So I will get sec square x dx divided by sec square x plus 3 tan square x plus 8. Okay. So this will be, and sec square x is what? We can write it as 1 plus tan square x. So this will be integral sec square x dx divided by, okay, 1 plus tan square x. So this is 9 plus tan square x. So this is 9 plus 4 tan square x. Yeah. So this will be, so now here if we take tan x as t, so then sec square x dx will be equal to dt. So this can be written as integral dt by 9 plus 4 t square. So this will be equal to integral dt by t square plus 9 by 4 means 3 by 2 whole square. So we know that integral dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So I can write this as 1 by a, 1 by 3 by 2 into tan inverse of t by 3 by 2 plus c. Now t is tan x, so this I can write 2 by 3. Sorry, here if we take 4 as common here, we have to take 1 by 4 as common. Then I will get 9 by 4 here. Okay, so it means that is equal to into 1 by 4 is also there. So 2 to the 4. So this will be 1 by 6. 1 by 6 tan inverse of 2 tan x by 3 plus c. Okay. So it means that option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral minus 2 to 0 x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus a plus 3 plus x plus 1 into cos of x plus 1 dx. So that will be how much? Okay. So now here this we can tell this will be x plus 1. This minus integral minus 2 to 0. This is x plus 1 whole cube plus 2 obviously plus x plus 1 into cos of x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so now integral x cos x, how to find x cos x dx? So that will be so now here what we can do, we can take, if we take x plus 1 as t, then dx will be equal to dt and t will go from minus 1 to plus 1. So this will be minus 1 to 1, this t cube plus 2 plus t cos t dt. Now t cube Now t cube is an odd function. Means minus t, it means if f of minus x is minus of f of x, then it is an odd function. So t cube is an odd function, 2 is an even function, and t cos t is cos t is an even function, but t is an odd function. So t cos t is an odd function. It means minus t cos of minus t, if you do, this will be minus of t cos t. So that will be an odd function. So if we integrate it from minus 1 to 1, this will become 0. This will also become 0, but only integral 2 dt we have to do, minus 1 to 1. So this is 2 integral dt is t, and minus 1 to 1. So this is 2 into 1 plus 1, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told, find the integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. So this I can write x square plus 2x plus 1, which is integral dx by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Okay. Now here if I take x plus 1 equal to t, then dx will be equal to dt. So then we can write integral dt by 1 plus t square. So this is nothing but tan inverse of t plus c. So this will be tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. So option 4 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral root x e power root x dx. So now here, if we take e power root x as t, then it will be e power root x into d by dx of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x, that will be equal to, into dx, that will be equal to dt. Okay, here so here so here we have to take root x equal to t actually. So if you take root x equal to t, then you can tell 1 by 2 root x dx, that is equal to dt. It means dx will be equal to 2t dt. 2t dt. So therefore this integral I, which is integral root x e power root x dx, that can be written as integral e power t into t into again 2t dt. So this will be equal to 2t square e power t integral dt. So then we have to use e power t as the second function. Then we can say 2 into t square into integral e power t, that is e power t. Means we have to use integration by parts. Then this is integral d by dt of t square, which is 2t, into integral e power t, that is e power t dt. So this will be again 2 into t square e power t minus, this will be 2t e power t minus then d by dt of 2t, that is 2 integral e power t dt is e power t and then again dt. So this will be 2t square e power t minus 4t e power t minus 4 e power t plus c. Therefore, the integral is 2t square. Now, so t square is nothing but x. So it is 2x e power root x. Then it is minus 4 root x, 4 root x into e power root x. Then minus, sorry, this minus of minus, this will be plus. Then plus 4 e power root x plus c. So this will be 2x minus 4 root x plus 4 whole into e power root x plus c. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Then integral dx by x into x power 7 plus 1. This we have to find. Now here what we can do, we can take x power 7 as common outside. So this will be x power 8 into 1 plus x power minus 7. So this is actually x power minus 8, integral x power minus 8 dx by 1 plus x power minus 7. Okay. So now if I take 1 plus x power minus 7 as t, then we'll get minus 7 into x power nx power n minus 1. So minus 8 into dx, that is equal to dt. So it means x power minus 8 dx, I can write it as minus dt by 7. So therefore this integral I, for the integral I, can be written as integral minus dt by 7t. So this will be minus 1 by 7 log mod t plus c. So this will be minus 1 by 7 log mod 1 plus x power minus 7 plus c, or we can write it as minus 1 by 7. Or we can write actually 1 by 7 log of 1 by 1 plus x power minus 7, which is and write 1 plus 1 by x power 7. So I can write x power 7 by 1 plus x power 7 plus c. Okay. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral minus 1 to 1 mod of 1 minus x dx. So that will be equal to now mod of 1 minus x, that will be equal to, when x is more than 1, when x is more than 1, then only it will be negative. So this will be, so x is always less than 1 only. So it will be positive always. So this I can write integral minus 1 to 1, 1 minus x dx. Simple. Since y mod 1 minus x, that will be equal to 1 minus x when x is less than 1. less than or equal to 1, and it is x minus 1 when x is more than 1. So this will be minus 1 to 1 integral dx minus integral minus 1 to 1 x dx. So this will be 1 minus 1 plus 1, means integral dx is x, minus this is x square by 2, and minus 1 to 1. This will be 2 minus half into 1 square minus 1 square, which is 0. So this is 2. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x into 1 plus cos x sin x. This I can write it as this cos square plus sin square x I can write. Now here now what we can do, we know that integral 0 to a f of x dx, that will be integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this we can write it as this integral I. This integral I can be also written as cos of pi by 2 minus x minus sin pi by 2 minus x by 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x into sin pi by 2 minus x into dx. So this we can write as integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x cos x. So this is equal to minus I. So I is equal to minus I. It means that 2I is equal to 0. So I will be equal to 0. So the value of this integral is 0. So option 1 is the correct answer. Then here it is told integral 0 to pi by 8 cos cube 4 theta d theta. So now we know that cos 3 theta, that is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So therefore cos cube theta can be written as cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta by 4. So this can be written as 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi by 8 cos 3 theta d theta cos 3 theta d theta plus 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi by 8 3 cos theta d theta. So this will be 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So integral cos 3 theta will be 1 by 3 sin 3 theta. And that will be from 0 to pi by 8. And plus this is 3 by 4. And this is cos integral cos theta is sin theta. Sin theta will go from 0 to pi by 8. So this will be 1 by 12 into sin 3 pi by 8 minus sin 0 is 0 only, plus 3 by 4 into sin pi by 8. Now 3 pi by 8 I can say this will be pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, means it is pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Sorry, this is cos 4 theta. This is wrong. Cos cube theta. Okay, so cos cube theta is this. So, sorry, this part is wrong. this is cos cube theta. So cos cube 4 theta, that will be cos cube 4 theta if you do, and then this will be 1 by 4 into cos 3 into 4 theta, that is 12 theta, plus 3 cos 4 theta. So this is cos 12 theta, and this is cos 3 by 4 into cos 4 theta d theta. This will be 1 by 4 into 1 by 12 into sine 12 theta, and that will go from 0 to pi by 8, and plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 into sine 4 theta, and that will go from 0 to pi by 8. So this will be 1 by 48 into sine 12 pi by 8, and plus 3 by 16 into sine 4 pi by 8. This will be 4 to the 8, and this is 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. So this is 1 by 48 into sine 3 pi by 2, that is sine 2 pi minus pi by 2. So this is sine minus pi by 2, that is minus 1. Then this is plus 3 by 16, since sine pi by 2 is 1. Then therefore this will be equal to, therefore the value of the integral I, that will be 3 by 16 minus 1 by 48. So this will be, LCM is 48, is a 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 48, which is 1 by 6. So option 4 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find out the integral sine 2x dx by 1 plus cos square x. Now here if we take 1 plus cos square x as t, then we will have 2 cos x into minus sin x into dx, that will be equal to dt. So it means that sine 2x dx, that is equal to minus dt. So therefore this integral can be written as integral minus dt by t. So which is minus log mod log t plus c. So it is minus log 1 plus cos square x plus c. Or simply I can write c minus log of 1 plus cos square x. So it means that option 4 is the correct answer. Integral, then here we have to find the integral e power x 1 plus sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos x. Now here now we can write it as this is integral e power x, and this 1 plus sin x can be written as 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx divided by, this will be 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So therefore this can be written as integral e power x 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus this will be 2 and 2 will cancel, this will be plus tan x by 2 dx. Now we know that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x, the dx, that is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So here also, if I take the f of x as tan x, then d by dx of tan x by 2, that will be equal to 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. So therefore, this is also of this form only. So it will be e power x into f of x, which is tan x by 2 plus c. So option 1 is the correct answer. Then here it is told integral 1 plus tan x dx divided by e power minus x cos x. So this we can write as integral e power x into sec x into 1 plus tan x dx. So this also can be written as integral e power x into sec x plus sec x tan x dx. So here also, if you take f of x as sec x, then f dash x is sec x plus sec x into tan x. So since we know that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this will be also e power x into sec x plus c. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 cosec square x dx. Now we know that integral cosec square x dx is equal to cot x plus c. Since y dy dx of cot x is minus cosec square x, so integral cosec square x will be minus cot x plus c. So this will be minus cot x, and that will go from pi by 4 to pi by 2. So this will be minus will come outside, and this will be cot pi by 2 minus cot pi by 4. Now cot pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2, that is 0, minus cot pi by 4 is 1. So this is 1. Minus of minus 1, that is 1. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Okay, so here so we know that integral 0 to a f of x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So now therefore 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x, if you do 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x, so this will be 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So this will be 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Now if you take the LCM, then we will get 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So tan x will cancel. So this is 2 by 1 plus tan x. Okay. So therefore, this integral I, this can be also written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x into dx. Since y we know that this we can use. Okay. So now this integral, now therefore this integral I, that can be also written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x into dx. Now this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x into dx. So this is equal to log 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Now this 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx is I only. So this is also, therefore I can write it as, this is log pi by 2 into this is x, and it will go from 0 to pi by 4 and minus I. So therefore 2I, that will be equal to pi by 4 log 2. So therefore, I will be equal to pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of all these questions on the previous year KCET exam on the chapter integrals. Still any doubts if you have, then please write that in the comments section so that we shall give more clarity on it and clarify all doubts which you have. And also please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important questions also based on the previous year KCET exam, which shall be obviously helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.